In 2004, far off the coast of Campeche, Mexico, all workers aboard a heavily guarded offshore platform witnessed something that did not belong in air or sea. What followed was not rumour, not hearsay, but a documented military incident caught on infrared cameras used to protect strategic energy infrastructure. This will become known as the Campeche oil rig USO case. During a nighttime patrol, Mexican Air Force personnel detected multiple unknown objects approaching oil platforms in the Bay of Campeche. There were not lights on the horizon, not ships, and not conventional aircraft. Infrared sensors picked up bright targets hovering near and sometimes above the platforms. Then something even stranger happened. Several of the objects were observed descending directly into the ocean, without splash, without steam, and without loss of signal. They did not crash, they did not disappear. They transitioned, and moments later, the sensors detected movement beneath the water's surface. This immediately ruled out many standard explanations. Jets cannot enter the sea intact, helicopters cannot submerge, drones of the era lacked both endurance and stealth to operate this way, and the infrared signature persisted through air and water. The footage showed up to 11 objects at times, forming loose groupings, changing altitude, and maintaining position relative to the oil platforms, as if conducting surveillance. Radar data was inconsistent, suggesting the objects were either extremely small or deliberately evading detection. When something doesn't behave like air traffic or sea traffic, what category does it belong to? After the encounter, Mexican defense officials confirmed the incident publicly, a rare move. They acknowledged the footage was real, the sensors were functioning correctly, and the objects could not be identified as foreign aircraft, balloons, or flares. The explanation offered was cautious, unidentified, not extraterrestrial, not adversarial, just unknown. Skeptics later suggested burning gas flares from the oil platforms themselves, but engineers and pilots quickly pointed out problems with that idea. The sources were off-platform, they moved independently, they entered the ocean. Gas flares do not submerge, and they do not maneuver. What makes the Campeche case endure is not speculation, it is sensor behaviour. Infrared tracking across mediums, multiple operators, real-time audio reactions from trained military crews. This was not a single light in the sky, it was an encounter with capability. The Campeche USOs now sit among a rare class of incidents where objects appear to operate seamlessly in air and water, a category modern analysts now call transmedium phenomena. And despite advancements in surveillance, such capabilities remain unexplained. Off the coast of Mexico, something approached strategic infrastructure, moved through air, slipped into the sea, and left behind footage but no answers. Whether advanced technology, unknown physics, or something not yet classified, the Campeche oil rig encounter forces one question to the surface. What moves freely between sky and ocean, and why does it appear where we least expect it?